Let's start by creating a mask. Choose the magic wand tool. Let's select the white area of the screen. Make sure the white color is chosen. And press delete. Go to select, deselect. Now let's put this couple inside the mobile. I already have this couple picture without background. Choose the pen tool by pressing the letter P. Right click and choose make selection. Now go to the layer of the couple and create a mask. Double click on the mask and press invert. Unlink the layer from the mask and move the couple to where you like them to be. After you finish, link back the layer to the mask. That's it. Now I'm going to add few things to this design. That's it. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion below.